How to make the letter X. Okay, we're going to blow up a balloon about halfway. You might think, well, that's more than halfway. Well, actually, it's not really. I'll show you. Stretch it. You want it to be a little flexible. Tie off this bit here. And we're going to use that for our second piece so that we're conserving on our balloons. We're not destroying the planet. And now we'll cut this off. And we'll blow this piece up. Whoa, I don't think this piece is going to equal that size. But we'll see. We'll see how big it gets. Yeah, no, not at all. Okay, squeeze and stretch. And, well, okay, so we're going to use this balloon for the pinch twists then. Find the middle. Do 2 pinch twists, one on this side and one on this side. Because this balloon had more balloon in it. So now it's still too big. I'm going to do this here. We'll add this to this. And you have your X, a beautiful X. Obviously, if you wanted it totally symmetrical, who likes symmetrical X's these days anyway? But if you wanted a totally symmetrical X, then you'd go about it a little differently. But anyway, you cross 2 balloons and 2 pinch twists, and those pinch twists will serve to hold the balloon into place. It's going to be very, very sturdy. Sturdy X. Next is Y.